I'm Maddie. I'm from the Dominican Republic. On a piece of baking paper, drizzle a little bit of oil. Just a soft touch. Now add 4 eggs. Sprinkle a little Himalayan salt. And a pinch of black pepper. Simple, but so full of flavor. Whisk them gently, but not too much, okay? We still want them a little fluffy. Now take about 70 grams of spinach and cut it softly. It already smells like a peaceful morning in the kitchen. Place the spinach over the eggs, just like that. So pretty. Next, take around 8 cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. Look how colorful they are, like tiny little suns. Aren't they adorable? Tell me in the comments if you also love cooking with colors like these. Now grab 8 mozzarella balls and cut them in half too. So creamy, so cute. They're like little clouds of cheese. Add them gently over the mixture. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, maybe this is your sign to join our cozy kitchen family. Now grate about 100 grams of mozzarella or emmental cheese. It's the magic touch. That warm, melty comfort we all love. Spread it evenly on top, like a soft blanket of cheese. Doesn't it already look dreamy? Now place it in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Just enough for everything to melt together perfectly. While we wait, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from today? And here it is, soft, cheesy, and golden. It smells like happiness and a slow Sunday morning. If this recipe made you smile, please subscribe and join me for more calm, cozy recipes from my little Dominican kitchen. See you in the next one.